now, back to You Asked For It and your host, Jack Smith.
From out of the past comes one of the most unusual stuntmen in early aviation history. Charles O. Williams asked us if we could find any films on Chief Flying Cloud's amazing feat of hanging by his hair under an airplane. The testing is complete. Now you're going to see Chief Flying Cloud's specialty, a stunt so unique it was never even attempted by another human being. The year is 1920. That's Los Angeles below from 3,000 feet altitude. Certainly looks different today. Now watch this. He lets go of the rope ladder. He's hanging by his hair. Now, in order to get all the shots that you'll see, he hung by his hair like this for more than an hour. He did this to advertise a new hair wash and was paid the magnificent sum of $15. These pictures were taken from another biplane. Some wonderful shots here, and remember, it was taken a long time ago. Boy, talk about wind force. Chief Flying Cloud was killed shortly after this film was made. He died while making a parachute jump. Now, as crazy as this stunt may seem, it served a purpose. It made people conscious of the airplane and the new era before them, the aviation age. Mr. Williams, you took us back to the Roaring 20s for an unusual thrill because you asked for it.